Hey YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. I am Tara Pross, True Beauty Reviewer, and I hope you guys are having a glamorous day. Today I am taking a field trip, thank you, to the Derma Laser Center that takes care of hair removal and skincare. Today I'm having done microdermabrasion. I cannot wait to share this all with you because I'm having some summer blues of dry skin and I need some rejuvenation. So stay tuned, stick with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey everyone, meet Assunta.
Hi, I'm Assunta, owner and operator of Derma Laser Center here in Poughkeepsie. Today we're going to do a microdermabrasion facial on Tara. Benefits of receiving a microdermabrasion facial would be to eliminate any dark discoloration to the skin surface. The microderm really helps to slough off the dead skin cells. So it softens the skin, evens out the skin tone and texture, cleans out the pores, and it's great for overall exfoliating the skin itself.
All the summer abuse I've done to it in the sun, that's why I'm here. All right, stay tuned.
This is a crystal dermabrasion machine, so you could see the crystals out on the surface of the skin. The tip of the machine is a suction, and it shoots out these aluminum oxide crystals onto the surface. So that's where you're getting like that gritty surface exfoliation from. So I'm literally just, it sloughs off the dead skin cells. Basically, that's what's happening right now.
So the crystal head cleans out the pores as well. Is that the suction?
The suction part of it, yeah.
Here. And so it's basically roughing up the dead skin, cleaning out the pores, and then sucking it like a vacuum.
Yeah, and then in the machine there's like a dirty crystal terminal where all those dead skin cells and debris from the surface goes to, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now, do you typically experience dryness, like after, like when you get a chemical peel? You not experience dryness.
Not as bad, but you may, just because of the exfoliation factor of it. That's why I like to include all my microdermabrasion treatments with a full facial, so it helps us soften and hydrate the skin afterwards.
Okay, so when you do this, do you typically book appointments that you do the dermabrasion first, and then you do a facial thereafter?
Yeah, all in the same treatment.
All in the same treatment.
And they're recommended at least monthly to maintain the skin.
Because the skin gets better with each treatment, right?
Yes.
Like every time you do this?
We're eliminating a top layer, so then your skin is able to renew the next layer a lot quicker. So that's what you're kind of noticing. So you're left with a really nice, smooth, rejuvenated glow after the treatment.
I love that idea. And so, does it reduce pore sizes? Like, over time,
It helps to clean out the pores as well. Any blackheads.
What can't you do after you do this?
There's no like major restrictions, but as far as like no makeup is primarily well if you can avoid it for the rest of the night. Sun exposure, sun tanning, or anything to that nature, you want to try to avoid that immediately after a microdermabrasion.
Now, what about when I had it done? The girl told me that she didn't want me to use any kind of like hyaluronic acid afterwards. So
yeah, you don't want to
straight moisturizer is kind of what she said.
Yeah, you don't want to really aggravate the skin after the microderm because you're already eliminating the top layer with exfoliating the surface. So mild products after the treatment are best. Oh, this is just cleansing the crystals off, get it thoroughly off the skin, and then I'll go into doing extractions for her.
Nice. So you're cleaning her because she's dirty. Questions. So, inquiring minds want to know. When you do this, does it leave the hair on the face, or does it remove the hair on the face because you're exfoliating like that top layer? Does the hair stay?
The hair stay, yeah. It doesn't touch his hair, yeah.
So we need another product and service to get the hair gone, right?
Laser.
Laser. On your face though?
You can do your face as long as the hairs are dark in color. Like there's women that have, whether it's a hormonal, yeah, peach fuzz, no. But other
What's your thoughts on
areas.
peach fuzz? Like people take it off, will it come back?
Well, it depends on how you take it off, I guess. If you're shaving it, yeah, would come back. I mean, maybe if you're using like a depilatory or something, not so much, you know?
Okay. Because I like got peach fuzz. And I don't know if it's
Nobody
because
knows
of
how to
hormones
really get rid
or
of
if
it.
it's...
Or as we've gotten older, you notice it more, yeah.
And I didn't know if, because I did it, like I did a chemical peel at some point, did it remove the hair and then
I
it
don't know
grew
if it
back?
would, though. You know, I've never seen that to really happen. Though it would be nice.
Yeah. Except for it grew back.
It grew
Like,
back, yeah.
Really grew back.
So this is just a detoxifying mask. I'm putting it on areas that have larger pores, places that I extracted. So like the chin and nose area. And then I have a hydrating mask to put everywhere else to really hydrate and soften her skin more.
So is this charcoal? Does it have charcoal? Because it's dark, so I'm...
It's yeah, it's like a charcoal mask, yeah.
And now what is that?
This is the hydrating mask. Yeah, so I'm just putting it on her forehead. I'm going to put it on her cheeks. So she's not feeling dry after this microderm treatment. Conditioner, soften the lips.
Oh, I love that.
And that completes our microdermabrasion. Ooh.
Nice job.
That was good.
Okay, I'm back after my fabulous microdermabrasion with facial. I feel so good. My skin feels so good. You have to come visit Assunta. She is at the Derma Laser Center in Poughkeepsie, New York. You will not regret it. Stay tuned because I'm probably going to be back for some hair removal that I'd love for you guys to watch. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Have a fabulous day.